Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a little something here to review. It's by a company called Fenrir. I think it's Fenrir. It's Fenrir, Fenrir. I'm not really sure. It's really hot outside. I'm sweating to death. Sorry about that. But anyway, what I got is it's for the motorcycle. For this particular bike is my 2020 Triumph Street Triple RS. So what they sent me for review, I didn't pay for this, so this was given to me for an honest review, and that's what I plan on doing. I think I did use a pair of their, I tried out a pair of these before, and I didn't mind them, but I wanted to stay stock at the time because I just got on the bike. So Fenrir right there, and I'm going to show you what they look like right after this. I'm not there right now. Okay guys, so there's an installation manual, but essentially what they look like is, there we go. There's the mirror. It's a little dirty because I pulled it out and looked at it. A little dirty. There's the back of it. You see that? Pretty good. There's the back. Says Fenrir on the top. We got this piece there. So this is going to go just like that. And these are there are two different ways. It could be bar end, or if you have the stalks. No, I think they're bar end is the way they're supposed to go, actually. And they give you a couple different things. I'm not really sure. It's been a while since I've messed with these. So they're weighted. So you got a little bit of weight to them. These are the ones that go in there and you tighten it up and it spreads out. But I don't believe the Triumph has that. But let's find out because it's been a while. And I think it's, oh, not 5. It is, try 4 millimeter. And I've got these things on the side as well. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm sweating to death. It is hot outside today in Florida. It's humid. So I've got the little guards here, which are just a joy to put back on properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Oh, there we go. Underneath here is 5. So we're gonna pull those off. Look how easy peasy. Then we're gonna take stalk. See, there's the stalk. Came right off like that. And this has really nothing there to differentiate that. So hopefully, look at that. So that came off like that. Yeah. The only difference is you're going to have the bolt facing up. No biggie. We're just going to go ahead and put this on here just like that. So take that, put that on there, and it does come with, like I said, depends on the type you have. So if you have hollow bars, this piece will go in there and you tighten that down. This doesn't have the hollow bars. What I have is then you have these other little pieces to make up the interior diameter. So if you have small bars that are going on, you put that piece in there. If they're just a little bit small, you put that one in there. And if you're in between, you put this one in there, and that would make it up. But I don't need none of these because this thing was like made for the Street Triple. Holy smokes, could it be any easier? So let me see. So I'm trying to, try right about there. We're just going to snug this up. Snug that up a little bit. Okay. Then when we put our end piece on with our number 4 on the RS, hardest part about this is just getting that part lined up. My lever guards. Oh, it's a pain in the arse. And it's not the Fenrir's part, it's their fault. It's this little nub right there for the guards. You just have to put this, and I have a video on that. If you look online on my page here, you can see that. You just have to this locking pin. Sack of dicks, man. That's a little pain in there. Sorry about this, guys. This is not. Okay, then we gotta take our mirror. Take our mirror, and it comes with a bag of goodies right here, guys. Bag of goodies. We're gonna open up. This is pretty straightforward on the street triple. Put this in the back. Got the wrong mirror. Grab the other one. Yep. So should point out this way, and then the logo is upright. Put that down. Sit on the bike real quick. Make sure I got the mirror where I want it. About there. They're a little bit smaller than the stock mirrors, but they do look kind of cooler. Let me take you out of this. So here we go, guys. So here's the difference. You're sitting on the bike. It's hard to see what's behind me to get them lined up right now, but you got the stock and you got this one. So if you want something a little bit smaller, a little bit more aggressive looking, then that's going to work just fine. So we're going to go ahead and hit the other one here, and let me move the bike around. So real quick, guys, just a quick reminder how easy this is. We're going to go ahead on the RS. You're going to take off your end piece, And these are R&G on there, plus I got the guards, but it is basically the same. You just don't have the guard, you don't have the adapter for the guard, and you don't have the thing. Man, but it's the same bolt. So then we're going to come in here. We're going to take this one off with a 5, 4 on the other side, outside, 5 on this one. Set your mirrors off to the side so you don't break them. They're still intact. I'll loosen this up. Loosen that up a little bit. Just ever so slightly tighten that. This time I'm not going to disassemble my guard. Hopefully. These were a big pain in the butt to put on. Not hard, just a pain in the butt. That makes sense. Hey guys, and again, the teardrop towards the outside. Fenrir should be facing up. Okay, take it off again. And again, there's the bike. Okay, I'm going to sit on it. Mirrors, kind of where I like them. Go ahead and tighten this up. Just sweating all over everything. Here you go, guys. Pretty nice. Have to take them for a test drive and see how they flop around, if they do at all. But I think it's going to work out pretty good, to be quite honest. Maybe I need to take it for a ride right now. Just 1 second, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So the Fenrir is a killer buy, especially for me because, like I said, I got them for free. But if you're just sick of these old, worn out, and see, like they got some miles on them. They got 33,000 miles on there. They're faded a little bit. I can't promise you that these aren't going to do the same thing, but they look like they're solid built. They come with a lot of extra parts, just to fit your needs, whatever you may need. These things are like right here. These bar end things, they're very well made. They feel good. So I think it's a pretty good deal. I don't know. There's an instruction manual, but I've done enough of these where I didn't really need them. But it's pretty. It's if you can ride a motorcycle, you should be able to change them mirrors out. So it's pretty good. I say try them. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I don't even know how much one of these are, so I'm going to leave a post it right here. This is how much they are next to me, right here somewhere. But I'd say they're pretty good. I will tell you that the Triumph mirrors cost well, back in 2020. This is a 2020. I bought it at the start of 2021. I've had it 3 years, 3.5 years. So the mirrors for this bike were $105 a piece. I know this because I had the bike for like less than a day, less than 24 hours. My wife was sitting on it just like this in our old garage and dumped it over on it. Broke one of snapped one of the mirrors off. So I had to buy a new mirror. So I know they're 105. These I know, I'm pretty sure they're cheaper. So we're gonna flash it again right here. There's the price, and check them out. I think it's a pretty good deal. I think they look pretty nice. I'm gonna leave them on, and I appreciate Fenrir for sending them to me, and it's pretty awesome. And that's it, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Please help me hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm really headed that way, trying to do it. And as always, guys, I appreciate it, and peace out.